In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. This is useful if you want Edge to save your card details for faster checkouts, autofill payment forms, and make online shopping a little more convenient. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings. This is where Edge keeps all of its browser preferences, including passwords, autofill options, and payment methods. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll through the list, because Microsoft Edge organizes these settings in one place. Once you find it, click on Payment Methods. This is the area where you can manage saved cards and add new payment details for autofill. On the Payment Methods page, you'll see an option to add a payment method. Click that button to begin. A form will appear asking for your card information. Here, you'll need to enter all the required details carefully, including your card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, the security code, and any other information the form requests. Make sure everything is typed correctly, because even a small mistake can cause the card to be saved incorrectly. If you're entering billing information, double-check that the name matches the card exactly and that the numbers are accurate. Once all the details are filled in, review everything one more time before continuing. When you're satisfied that the information is correct, click Save. Microsoft Edge will now store the payment method in your browser, and it can be used later for autofill when you check out on supporting websites. After saving, it's a good idea to confirm that the new payment method appears in your list of saved cards. That way, you know the setup worked properly and your information is ready when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few minutes, and now you know how to manage your saved payment details right inside the browser. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.